I am going to do an unboxing and assembly of these patio lamps to show you how they come and how easy they are to put together. Now the company did send these to me and I was excited to try them out. So these are solar lanterns. So they sit on the patio and you will see here in just a minute. It came with the instructions right here. So this was a set of 2. And here are the solar caps for the top. 2 of those with the light right underneath there. Here are the stakes to put them in the ground. And this is the base. So on this base, you could either set it directly on your patio, or if it was going on the ground, you could put this right into the bottom. Get it nice and snug and use that spike to anchor it into the ground. So you have different options of how you want to display it and use it in your yard. Here's the second base. I'm going to move that a little bit so you can see it a little better. Before you put that top piece on, be sure to turn it on. You want to make sure the light is turned on. And then just line up those pieces right here and then press it down. That quick and easy. Get this other piece on, and that took me maybe 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes at the most to put this together. Quick, easy assembly. And if you happen to forget to turn it on, or if you want to turn it off at some point, you can still get to the on and off switch. It has that little silicone over it because this is an indoor-outdoor weatherproof, so you can have it out in the rain. That's why that silicone is over that. So you can turn it on right there. Here are the lights at night. Here I have that stake into the ground right there on the grass. You can see how they look. They're half reflecting on the cement and half on the grass. And then I did take the stake out and move it over to just the cement area of my patio. And I really like that. These are nice bright lights, but the light is reflecting down. So if you were sitting in those chairs or visiting with someone, the light wouldn't be shining in your eyes or bothering you.